Greetings, lovely people. Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my returning subscribers, a big thank you. To all my channel members, thank you so much for your subscription. Please continue to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Today I am making well done steak and vegetables one pot meal in Sister J's kitchen. Come along with me. Here I have the steak and I'm squeezing some lime juice on it. I'm gonna wash the steak off. I'm using 3 small lime because you know the lime doesn't carry that amount of juice like the lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the juice on and then I wash my steak off with the water. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, now is the right time to do so. Hit that red subscription button, put that post notification bell on so you will be notified of future upload. Running some cold water on the steak, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this off nicely. Now I'm seasoning the steak. I'm using some onion powder, followed by some garlic powder, and then some complete seasoning. I'm gonna season one side and then I flip over and turn on the other side. So now that I cover with the seasoning, complete garlic, onion, I'm adding some oil and I'm just gonna marinate this side and then flip it over on the other side. Massaging this steak nicely. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flip and do the same with the other side of the steak. And guys, I'm cooking some well done steak. One pot steak and vegetable meal. So this is a one pot dinner, yes. So now I flip the steak on the other side and I'm adding the seasoning. I'm using the all-purpose seasoning followed by the garlic and the onion seasoning and then some. I'll be using some of the complete seasoning. Now I'm adding some more oil to this side and I'm doing the same. Make sure it's seasoned properly. And when it comes to steak, you put the seasoning of your choice. And as you know, in my kitchen, I do what I please. I use what I want to use. You know, I do things my way, my style. And when you're in your kitchen, that's what you should do. Don't let no one dictate you. Now that I have the steak all seasoned up, I'm just transferring it to this container and I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil to the pot and adding some ginger and some garlic. I'm gonna lower my flame. Now I'm adding the steak. So guys, I'm gonna let this steak cook thoroughly on one side. Then I flip it on the other side. We're doing well done steak. So I'm turning it on the other side. And yes, smell good. Here I have the vegetables that I'll be using: carrot, cauliflower, and broccoli. So here I have the vegetables cut up. I'm gonna go ahead and add some onion to the steak. I'm putting the onion on top. I'm lowering the flame and keep the onion on top of the steak so it can keep the steak moist. So I'm seasoning up the vegetables, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the vegetables to the pot. Remember, this is a one pot meal, steak and vegetables one pot meal. So I put the steak aside, I'm adding the vegetables, and guys, this is well done steak. Yes, everybody do their steak the way how they like it. I'm doing it well done right here. Now I'm adding some fresh thyme to the pot. I'm gonna put most of it on top of the steak. And guys, this pot smells so good. Steak and vegetables, one pot meal. And as you can see, the onions getting translucent right here. So I'm just making sure the onion cover all the steak so the steak can get that onion flavor. So now I'm turning the vegetables. Yes, guys. After turning the vegetables, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the steak on the other side. So let's turn the steak. So now I'm adding some steak sauce. Yes, steak and vegetables, one pot meal. In your kitchen, you do what you please. I am adding some complete seasoning and some all-purpose seasoning along with some cayenne pepper to the pot. And now I'm adding some bell pepper, assorted bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper. And I'm making sure my steak is well done, and that's a safe way. And my steak is ready. And guys, look at my delicious steak and vegetables one pot meal. There you have it. Done in Sister J's kitchen, my way, my style. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, I say live good, walk good, pray, pray. One love. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Cuisine and Lifestyle. Thanks for watching. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please